In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Microsoft Outlook emails with ease. Now, if you're looking to emphasize certain parts of your email, highlighting is a fantastic feature to get your point across more clearly and effectively. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps on how to make this happen. First things first, head over to the Outlook login page. You can easily find this by entering the URL into your browser or simply searching for Outlook on your preferred search engine. When you land on the page, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this option will prompt you to enter your credentials. Go ahead and log in with your Microsoft account details. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be brought to the Outlook homepage. This is your main hub where you can access all your emails, calendars, and contacts. From here, navigate to the Mail section, which is typically in the sidebar to the left. This will take you to your inbox. Now, to create a new email, you'll need to locate and click on the New Mail button. You'll usually find this button at the top of your inbox. It might say New Message in some versions. Clicking on it will open a blank email template where you can compose your message. Type in the content of your email. This is where you'll input the text that you wish to highlight. It could be a particular sentence or a section that you want to emphasize to your recipient. Ensure that the message is clear and conveys exactly what you intend to say. Next, it's time to select the text you want to highlight. Click and drag your mouse over the desired text to select it. Once selected, you should see it highlighted in a different color, indicating that it's ready for further formatting. With your text selected, look up at the toolbar located above your email composition window. There, you'll find an option labeled Text Highlight Color. It might be represented by an icon resembling a highlighter pen. Clicking on this button will reveal a palette of colors you can choose from. Pick a color that best suits the emphasis you want to bring to your text, ensuring it's visible and stands out. And that's how you highlight text in Microsoft Outlook emails. By following these simple steps, you can make sure your emails are not only informative, but also visually engaging. Highlighting is a great tool for drawing attention to crucial information, so take advantage of it to enhance your email communication. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy emailing!